Keeping your family healthy and safe has always been important to you. So what are you doing to make sure that the inside of your vehicle is clean, healthy, and protected from germs, bacteria, and dangerous viruses? Introducing NuVinAir, a patented cleaning process that combines the power of nature's cyclonic vortex with over 100 years of chlorine dioxide's science-backed cleaning effectiveness. Used exclusively to deliver our safe and eco-friendly 7-minute refresh or 15-minute restore treatments, the NuVinAir Cyclone's dry hygienic vapor travels throughout your HVAC system to remove contaminants, odor, and pollutants from inside your vehicle that sprays and wipes alone simply can't reach. Combine that with Renew Surface to remove interior stains while also cleaning and shining glass, wheels, steel, and more. Finally, this is ReCleanse X, a powerful EPA-approved hospital-grade multi-purpose cleaner that kills 99.9% of germs. It's used to disinfect all the high touchpoint areas of your vehicle, including seatbelts, door handles, steering wheels, and more. So wherever you go and whoever you're with, NuVinAir will help you and your passengers get there safer, happier, and healthier in the cleanest vehicle imaginable. Why is this important to us? Because if it matters to you, it matters to Nu. NuVinAir. Welcome to the future of clean driving.